you will learn the past tense of the verb mynd, meaning to go. Dudwch ar fy ôl I. Repeat after me. Lle es di? Where did you go? Singular. Lle eithoch chi? Where did you go? Formal or plural. Mi es I i'r ysbyty. I went to the hospital. Mi es I i'r ardd. I went to the garden. Mi es I i'r caffi. I went to the cafe. The first E in this phrase relates to the person I in English, and the second E means to. If you want to convey the meaning I went to somewhere, you will need both. To ask the question, did you go, using the informal T, we use the pattern es di? Did you go? Let's practice asking some questions using both T and chi. Es di am dro i'r parc? Did you go for a walk in the park? Eithoch chi i'r ardd? Did you go to the garden? Da iawn. When answering all mynd questions in the past, singular and plural, the answer is always either do in the affirmative or naddo in the negative. Edrychwch. Look at the following examples. Es di i'r parc? Do, neu or do, mi es I i'r parc. Eithoch chi i'r ardd? Naddo, neu naddo, es I ddim i'r ardd. You can also see that to form a negative sentence, we simply add the word ddim. Es I ddim? I didn't go. Gwych. Rwan, let's learn sut es di. How did you go? Dudwch ar fy ôl I. Say after me. Sut es di i'r ysbyty? Neu, sut eithoch chi i'r ysbyty? Mi es I mewn car. I went in a car. Mi es I mewn taxi. I went in a taxi. We use mewn to say in a. There is no mutation after mewn. Es di mewn car? Did you go in a car? Do, mi es I mewn car. Eithoch chi mewn taxi? Did you go in a taxi? Naddo. Es I ddim mewn tacsi. We use ar to say on a. Ar causes a treiglad meddal, a soft mutation. Enghraifft. For example, mi es I ar fws. I went on a bus. Mi es I ar dren. I went on a train. Gadewch I ni ymarfer. Let's practice some possible questions and answers. Dudwch ar fy ôl I. Es ti mewn tacsi? Do. Mi es I mewn tacsi. Naddo. Es I ddim mewn tacsi. Mi es I mewn car. Da iawn.
Cofiwch, dach chi'n medru gwylio'r fideo yma eto I adolygu. Remember, you can watch this video again if you wish to revise.
Pob lwc!